Hi everyone. This is the overview video for the week of April 27th. It was so great to hear from so many of you last week and see that you're doing your work and checking in. And I love the responses in the Temperature Tuesdays. Just keep it up. Keep up the communication. It's awesome. So for this week, there are 3 new assignments. They are going to be in your Google Classroom like normal under the topic week of April 27th. The 3 assignments are an Edpuzzle. This Edpuzzle covers igneous rocks. And the second one is also an Edpuzzle, but it's a video. So you're going to watch a video about igneous rocks and answer some questions. And then the third activity is another Nearpod. And the Nearpod actually is a review of plate tectonics and the different types of plate boundaries. And then it has some vocabulary and it has some challenge questions for you to see what you picked up and what you remember from plate tectonics through igneous rocks. The enrichment activity for this week is to make some igneous rock cookies. So there's a video demonstration of me making some cookies and the ingredients and the recipe for you guys to be able to make your own. So I hope you have fun with that. If you do, just send me a note, let me know how it went, or you can turn it in through Google Classroom and let me know that you did it, and just let me know what you think. So a couple of things that I wanted to go over just based on some questions people had from last week and how things went. I do want you to turn your assignments in through Google Classroom. We haven't been super consistent with this throughout the year, but if you turn them in through Google Classroom, it emails me and lets me know that you have completed that assignment. Then I can go in and check you off and see that you have completed it. I can also give you feedback through Google Classroom if you turn it in. If you do not turn it in, then it's possible I'll miss that you did it. So in order to turn it in, you just open up the assignment in Google Classroom, click turn in, and then you're good to go. Next, Nearpods. I need your correct names in Nearpods because I don't see you to be able to say, hey, is that you? So I need you to write your full name, first and last name in the Nearpod, because I also have a few students who have the same first name. And if you're all coming into that same big spreadsheet and I have 2 students with the same name, I won't know the difference. So please write your full name first and last in the Nearpod when you sign in. Next, Edpuzzles. Some of you went in and did part of the Edpuzzle, but maybe stopped at the last question and didn't complete the video. I do not get a score for you, or I do not get shown that it's completed unless you complete the Edpuzzle and click finish. So you have to watch the whole video or listen to the whole reading, not just answer the questions, because otherwise I do not get a score for you and I don't see that you did it. So please do that. Please do the complete thing. Next, we are going to start taking attendance. So I'm going to be keeping track of who is checking in and doing the assignments and who is not doing the assignments, just so we can kind of keep track of who is able to do things, and I can maybe reach out to some students that are struggling with technology or trying to figure out why the assignments are not getting completed. So please check in and do the assignments, because then I can say, yep, I heard from this person this week, and that always feels good. And grades are still changing. They changed twice yesterday, so I'm still waiting on final word from the state. It looks like we will start putting something into Skyward, but what it is not totally clear to me yet. But it looks like we're moving toward grades versus no grades. So I will update you as soon as I know anything more about that. Until then, keep up the good work, keep up the communication, email me with any questions, and I'll see you next week. I hope you're all healthy and happy. All right, bye.